Welcome all. Now I am going to discuss question number 30 from the GATE 2018 paper Electrical Engineering. The per unit power output of a salient pole generator which is connected to an infinite bus is given by the expression P is equal to 1.4 sin delta plus 0.15 sin 2 delta, where delta is the load angle. Newton-Raphson method is used to calculate the value of delta for P is equal to 0.8 per unit. If the initial guess is 30 degrees, then its value in degree at the end of the first iteration is. These are the given options. To know the detailed mathematical analysis of Newton-Raphson method, audience can go through the given NPTEL video link. To find the next iterative value of a particular variable, we can use this expression. Here xi plus 1 is equal to xi minus f of xi divided by f dash of xi. Here I is the iteration number. So the xi plus 1 represents the value of the variable for the current iteration, whereas xi is the value of the variable for the previous iteration and f of xi is the value of the particular expression. F dash of xi is the derivative value of the particular function. So using this information, let us solve the problem. First, given data. What it is given? Per unit power output of the salient pole generator, that is P is equal to 1.4 sin delta plus 0.15 sin 2 delta, and it is equal to 0.8 per unit. So this P is expressed in terms of delta rate. So we can write this expression as f of delta is equal to 0, which means 1.4 sin delta plus 0.15 sin 2 delta minus 0.8 is equal to 0. This is f dash of delta. So in the question, what we have asked to find out? We have asked to find out the value of delta for the first iteration. For the first iteration, we need to find out. And also it is given that initial guess of delta naught is equal to 30 degrees. So which method we have to use? Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method, right? So what is the formula for that? Delta I plus 1 is equal to delta I minus f of delta I divided by f dash of delta I. So f dash of delta I, right? We know that f of delta is equal to 1.4 sin delta plus 0.15 sin 2 delta minus 0.8. So f dash of delta means its derivative. So sin derivative is what? Cos. So 1.4 cos delta plus 0.15 sin 2 delta derivative is cos 2 delta into delta 2, factor of 2 delta, right? So 2, this is f dash of delta. So if we substitute delta 1 is equal to delta naught minus f of delta 1 delta naught divided by f dash of delta naught. So delta naught is how much? 30 degrees. So pi by 6. Pi by 6 in radian minus 1.4 into sine pi by 6 plus 0.15 sine 2 into pi by 6 is pi by 3 minus 0.8 divided by 1.4 cos delta is pi by 6 plus 0.3 cos 2 into pi by 6 pi by 3. So if we simplify this expression, delta 1 is equal to 28.74 degrees. So the value of the delta after first iteration is 28.74 degrees. The value of delta in degrees at the end of the first iteration is 28.74 degrees. Thank you.